HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com.
Hit it. Yeah, be careful in the turns because it will get sideways quick. And it's a super short wheelbase. That's good, doesn't it?
It's going to beat you up worse.
Oh, yeah.
When you got the seats in.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we got some Jegs racing seats going here to the hard plastic ones, and they're definitely not going to be near as comfy as these ones are.
Oh.
But I might feel a little better. It'll get on it, won't it?
But it's super wide.
Oh yeah, it's
y'all want back up the road.
yeah, we can go back up the road. Zip up through there and see it. Then you can open it up. 4 or 5 grand. Oh, you're in second. You have to go back to first to get it to jump off like that. Yeah, tag it up 4 or 5 grand. Let her rip. That's fourth. Nah, I gotta move it around. Oh, there's a school bus. Yep. Yeah, second act's funny. Probably gonna adjust some of that.
Me too. That's pretty bad. So,
Yeah, we'll raise the steering wheel up, put those smaller seats in, so you get a lot more room.
you have to go before you die. Seems like you should be geared a little bit lower.
Yeah.
This kind of stuff.
Well, it's got this huge 31 1050s on the back.
That's what it is.
Yeah, if it had smaller, it looks good like this though, and it's still got plenty of power. If you rev it up, I mean it'll just spin sideways, whatever you want to do. But it could be a little lower gear, and it will be with smaller tires on it.
Brakes just need brakes. They don't have no brakes.
No, these things don't have much brakes anyways. But with the disc brake kit we've got, it'll be much better. It'll cover us in mud.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
Big time.
But these seats are not bad.
No, the seats aren't bad.
Changed it, it's going to be different.
Yeah. Might have to add some extra foam padding to the other ones.
Yeah.
But even over all these ruts and everything else, like I didn't go on down earlier. But even on all these ruts, I mean, it just goes through it. I mean, this thing can go anywhere.
And reverse is way
Even to the grocery store. You got to pull the trigger up and go all the way over. Yep. Nope, but you missed it. Yep. There you go. Yeah, well, it's super tight right there too. That'll help the different seats, I think, too. Give her some gas. Oh yeah. Yeah, it was spinning with us. But with me and Cameron in here, it's a little lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's spinning big time.
Need to be in second.
I need a 1.5 gear.
Yeah.
It does great down the highway though. When I took it down the interstate, it was just cruising.
But
Yeah.
yeah, I didn't know for sure where you were going that day. When you got pretty far in front of me, you know, you
Yeah.
were going to the parts store. I thought we must be going to the parts store. So I was right.
So these are the Jag seats we got going in there. So we'll be installing those at some point in time. So, but I'll go ahead and link them in the description.